Ever wished you could unlock your door with just a touch of your finger? Well, get ready to step into a world where keys are a thing of the past and magic is at your fingertips. Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of the Homegician HP1 Fingerprint door lock. Picture this, a family tired of the key juggle and the fear of lost keys stumbling into the wrong hands. They stumbled upon a solution that promised not just security but a touch of modern magic in their everyday lives. Please like and share the video, subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon for more updates. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. Key features. The Homegician HP1 is packed with useful features that make it a great choice for upgrading your home security. First and foremost, it allows you to store up to 40 different fingerprints, so you can give access to family members, friends, or anyone else you trust. In addition to fingerprint unlock, the HP1 also supports a 6-digit passcode. This provides a backup option in case you ever need to unlock the door without your finger, and also allows you to give temporary codes to guests or service providers. The lock is battery-powered, with the batteries conveniently located in the front panel. This makes it easy to replace the batteries when needed, without having to remove the entire lock. The HP1 is designed to fit doors with a thickness between 35mm and 55mm, which covers most standard interior and exterior doors. It comes with an adjustable latch that fits both 2 3/8, 60mm, and 2 3/4, 70mm, backsets, so you don't have to worry about whether it will fit your existing door hardware. And it works with both left and right-handed doors, providing maximum flexibility for your home. Installation. One of the best things about the Homegician HP1 is how easy it is to install. The entire process can be completed in just a few simple steps. Open the package and install the lock using only 2 screws. No complex drilling or wiring required. Insert the batteries into the front panel. As mentioned, this makes it a breeze to replace them down the line. Insert the mechanical key and rotate it clockwise about 15 degrees to enter programming mode. This allows you to set up the fingerprint unlock. Release the key and wait for the green LED to light up. This indicates that the lock is ready to accept fingerprints. Touch the fingerprint sensor 5 times to add a fingerprint. The lock will beep when each fingerprint is successfully added. That's it. In just a few minutes, you can have your new fingerprint lock installed and ready to use. And if you ever need to reset the lock and delete all fingerprints, the process is just as simple. Insert the key, rotate it clockwise 15 degrees, wait for the red LED, then release the key. Benefits. So why should you choose the Homegician HP1 Fingerprint door lock? There are several key benefits. Enhanced security. Fingerprint locks are much harder to pick or break into than traditional key locks. And with the ability to store multiple fingerprints, you can control exactly who has access to your home. Convenience. No more fumbling for keys or worrying about losing them. Just touch your finger to the sensor and you're in. It's fast, easy, and secure. Improved home value. Smart home features like fingerprint locks are becoming increasingly popular with home buyers. Installing one can help increase the value and appeal of your home. Peace of mind. Knowing that your home is protected by a state-of-the-art fingerprint lock can give you a real sense of security and confidence. You'll sleep better at night knowing your family is safe. So, if you're ready to add a touch of magic to your home security and bid farewell to the age-old key struggle, stick around. The Homegician HP1 Fingerprint door lock is here to make your life easier, safer, and a whole lot more magical. Stay tuned for more enchanting details and let's unlock the future together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.